Autumn is the perfect time to be getting out into the garden and doing all those jobs. But there are a few other items that have been on the to-do list which have been left to the side. But we've got the perfect set of tools to help us reach those hard and high areas. I've been using these extendable poles for several years now, and you can get them in a few different lengths. You have a small, medium and large, giving you different lengths of reach depending on the task you want to achieve. And the great thing about them is they have many different interchangeable tool attachments, ranging in the forms of garden tools like cultivators, rake heads, pruners, and even handy cleaning attachments for around the house. This is the medium pole, which is ideal for me because I'm quite short at 5'2", but it makes reaching the gutter so much easier, and you might have already guessed it, the attachment I'm using is the gutter cleaner. Simply attach it and away you go. It's super handy as it has this scooper and scrubbing brush. So you can clean out the bigger debris and then brush it all to get rid of the dirt and grime that might be left. Another nifty tool I use all the time is this one here, and this is the angled brush. And this is really good for getting into the nooks and crannies because we have a lot of golden orbs on our property and they tend to love making webs on the house. If you've got some really high windows or you've got a 2-story property, the large pole there would be ideal as it extends to 4 meters. And you've got these nifty cleaning tools for your windows, which will leave them looking absolutely beautiful. But for me, the small and the medium pole will do just fine. Like all WOLF-Garten tools, these poles can be used with many different attachments, and they are high quality, German-made and long-lasting. To get your hands on some of these nifty tools, head on over to the WOLF-Garten website. And that's just some of the autumn jobs that I had on my to-do list. And now that the house tasks are done, I can get back into the garden.